In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wise account QR code. Whether you're a seasoned user of Wise or you're just getting started, having a QR code linked to your account can streamline payment requests and make transactions more convenient. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure you have everything you need to get your QR code set up in no time. First, you'll want to visit the Wise homepage. Simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to wise.com. Once the homepage loads, you'll be greeted with a clean and user-friendly interface. Here, look for the Request button, which is typically located at the top of the page. Clicking on this will direct you to the Payment Request section, putting you on the right path to creating your QR code. Next, you'll see an option labeled Request a Payment. Select this and you'll be guided to another screen where you can begin the process. It's all about making this as simple and straightforward as possible, so don't worry if you're new to this. Just follow along. Now, you'll spot a button that says Start. Clicking on Start is your cue to enter information for your payment request. This part is where you can really customize whom you're requesting payment from. You'll notice fields where you can type in the recipient's name, Wise tag, email, or phone number. However, for the purpose of creating a general QR code, let's keep it broad and inclusive for anyone. Moving on, select the option that allows you to request payment from anyone. This is key to generating a QR code that anyone can scan and use to send you funds. By choosing anyone, you make it universally accessible, which can be a game changer if you're aiming for flexibility and ease. The final step involves getting your link ready. You'll see an option to copy your link. Click on this and you'll now have the payment link copied to your clipboard. With this link, you can head over to any QR code generator online. Paste your payment link into their tool, and just like that, you'll have your own QR code linked to your Wise account. Share this QR code any way you like. Email it, print it, or even embed it into social media profiles. And there you have it. You've successfully created a QR code for your Wise account. With this handy tool at your disposal, requesting payments can be as easy as a single scan. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching and happy transacting.